Okay, so we got this situation. A rectangle with sides 2m-1 and 2n-1 is divided into squares of unit length. Okay, so let's create that situation. So they are talking about rectangle. Okay, so let's draw the rectangle. And now they are saying that the side length is 2n-1 to m-1. Okay, the length they have provided you as this. Okay, and now they have divided everything into squares. So let's draw those squares. Okay, look at this. Just try to understand, you'll get better clarity. Okay, similarly we will go with this way as well. We will keep on doing this till this part. Okay, now for reference what I am trying to say is just create coordinate axis. Okay, and now focus here. So can I name this point as, I'll name this point as 0, this as 1, 2, 3, 4, dot dot dot, and this last point would be what? 2m-1. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, dot 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 dot, the last point would be 2n-1. Okay, now the number of rectangles that can be formed with both sides of odd length. Okay, so you wish to create a rectangle which will have both side as odd length. So can we have 1 cross 1? Can we have 1 cross 3? Can we have 1 cross 5 and so on? Now try to understand like behavior of your rectangles. So look at this situation. Okay, so I hope you are observing 1 cross 1. Okay, so in 1 cross 1, don't you think that you have taken help of 0, the vertical line 0, the vertical line 1, horizontal line 0 and horizontal line 1? Correct? Just try to observe the behavior of numbers. Okay, so one is even, other is odd. Suppose that you wish to take 1 cross 3. So 1 cross 3 means what? This. है ना? Now try to again focus on the numbers. So focus on vertical. So vertical is 0, this line, and vertical is 3. So one thing is even, one thing is odd. Now focus on horizontal. It is 0, it is 1. So again even and odd. Correct? So can I say that we will have like required number would be, wait, required number would be even of horizontal. Okay, and then odd of horizontal. Okay, means try to understand. Look at this. This is like, I'll change the color. Try to understand this part. I will go with this box. Okay, so it is what? Look at this thing. So this one is horizontal, this is 0th horizontal, and this is odd horizontal, है ना? Now can I go with even vertical? Look at this. This is 0 wala line, na? Y equal to 0, and odd vertical. This way we can create rectangle, correct or wrong? Okay, just try to observe this thing and you will get things done. Now try to focus that how many horizontal lines do we have, how many verticals line do we have. Okay, so look at this. Suppose that you are focused on this 1 cross 3. So if I'll talk about this, like here it is 2m minus 1, so I am trying to find out the number of lines. So it is 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line. So if I'll go horizontally 3 boxes means 3 unit, I have to take 4 lines, 4 points. If I'll talk about 4 boxes, 4 unit, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. So if the length is 2m minus 1, don't you think that 2m will be the number of lines? Okay, and similarly we will have 2n lines in vertical form. Okay, now look at this, focus on even. So how many even number do we have in horizontal? So you know that altogether it is 2m, so half of them would be even and half of them would be odd. So as with this thing, half of 2n would be even, half of 2n would be odd. Now look at this. So even we have to select one even. So out of m evens, I will select one even. Out of m odds, we will select one odd. This is horizontal thing. Now focus on vertical. So we will select one even out of n evens. We will select one odd out of n odds. So you know that MC1 is m, n and n. So answer would be what? M square, n square. I hope you got the proper clarity about this question. If you are not able to understand, just go through this video one more time, and still if you are not able to do so, then please comment in chat box. Okay, I hope the idea is clear.